Coming to you, Danny. Thanks very much indeed for coming back to me, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye from Italy. Yankee Bravo 1, Echo Alpha Oscar, Italy, Kilo 5, Sugar, Radio, Foxtrot. Bye-bye and ciao. Thank you.
Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha.
Yeah, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra, Japan, America. Very good afternoon to you. Thanks very much indeed for coming back. My name is Paolo, Papa, America, Ontario, London, Ontario. Paolo is my name, and you got a beautiful figure, 5 by 9, 59 here in central Italy. About 300 kilometers north of the capital Rome. So back to you, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar, Japan, America. From Italy, Kilo 5, Sugar, Radio, Florida.
Italy Kilo 5, Sierra Radio, Florida. Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Nice to meet you, Paulo. And introduce, my name is Fayyas. Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha Sierra. Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha Sierra. From East Jakarta, Indonesia. You are 5 and 7, but your audio is very strong, my friend. Your signal 5 and 7, but your audio is very strong, like 10 dB, but my friend, you're nice to East Jakarta, Indonesia. Italy Kilo 5, Sierra Radio Foxtrot, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger Fayyas, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar, Japan, America. From Italy, Kilo 5, Sugar, Radio Fox. A beautiful copy, Fayyas. And thanks for the 5 by 7. I repeat you, 5 by 9, 59, very good signal. I'm located in central part of Italy, about 300 kilometers north of the capital, Rome. Beautiful copy from you, Fayyas. Running about 500 watts here into 6 mono band gas. Band seems to be open, not extremely open, but something is coming through from Asia. And you get a beautiful signal here into Europe. So back to you, Fayyas, and thanks for the call. Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar, Japan, Alpha. From Italy, Kilo 5, Sugar, Radio, Florida. Roger?
Roger. Thank you, Paulo. Italy Kilo 5, Sierra Romeo Foxtrot, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. You have 200 kilometers from North Capital, Italy, and you're running valve 00 watt with monoband jacking. Okay, my friend, I'm using 100 whiskey, running 100 whiskey. My radio is Yesu Fox Tango 80 Charlie. Yesu Fox Tango 80 Charlie, and my antenna is single element delta loop, about 7 meters from the ground, my friend. The antenna I built myself because I really love experiment the antenna, my friend. Okay, my friend, you have fantastic audio to I had this afternoon, my friend. Your signal, although your signal is low, but your audio is very clear because you are running valve 00 whiskey. Okay, my friend, I hope you can contact in QSO again because our behind is calling you. Paulo, thank you very much. Good day, Italy Kilo 5, Sierra Romeo Foxtrot, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, over.
Thanks much indeed, really appreciate the contact, and enjoy the rest of the day over there, dear Fayyas. Bye-bye from Italy, and ciao, Yankee Charlie 0, Sugar, Japan, America. From Italy, Kilo 5, Sugar, Romeo Foxtrot. Thank you and ciao, bye-bye.
Ciao.
Calling CQD extend. From Italy, Kilo 5, Sugar, Romeo, Foxtrot. Italy, Kilo 5, Sugar, Romeo, Foxtrot. Calling CQD extend, standing by.